Dharmendra's story begins in the heart of Punjab, where he was born into a modest family. Surrounded by the simplicity of rural life, he grew up witnessing the daily struggles and aspirations of his community. Unlike many of his peers, Dharmendra harbored a dream that stretched far beyond the boundaries of his village. Inspired by the allure of cinema and the promise of a brighter future, he nurtured an unwavering desire to make a mark in the world of films. This ambition set him apart, fueling his determination and shaping the course of his journey. His humble beginnings would become the foundation for the resilience and passion that defined his path ahead. Dharmendra's early years were marked by hardship and resilience. Growing up in poverty, he spent much of his childhood working on farms, helping his family make ends meet. Despite the daily struggles, Dharmendra nurtured a dream that seemed far out of reach. He wanted to become a movie star. When he shared his ambitions, many around him responded with skepticism, doubting that someone from such humble beginnings could ever make it in the film industry. Yet these doubts only fueled his determination, setting the stage for a journey defined by perseverance and hope. Dharmendra's journey began with a simple yet bold act, sending his photograph to the Filmfare Talent Contest. At the time, he was an aspiring actor with big dreams but limited resources. The decision to participate marked his first real step toward the world of cinema. When he received the news that he had won, it was a life-changing moment. The invitation to Mumbai, the heart of the Indian film industry, opened doors that had previously seemed out of reach. This pivotal event set the stage for his transformation from a hopeful newcomer to a celebrated figure in Bollywood. Mumbai is a city of dreams, but for many it is also a place of relentless challenges. Rejection is a common experience, whether in the pursuit of a career or simply trying to make ends meet. Financial struggles often force people to live in cramped spaces and work long hours just to survive. Despite these hardships, the spirit of persistence remains strong. Individuals continue to push forward, holding on to hope and believing that their efforts will eventually pay off. The resilience of those who call Mumbai home is a testament to their unwavering determination in the face of adversity. After months of rigorous training and countless auditions, Dharmendra finally secured his first film role in Dil Bhi Tera Hum Bhi Tere. This opportunity marked a pivotal moment in his journey, transforming his dreams into reality. The film introduced him to the world of Bollywood, where his dedication and talent began to attract attention. With each scene, he demonstrated a natural screen presence that resonated with audiences and filmmakers alike. This breakthrough not only launched his acting career, but also set the stage for his remarkable ascent in the Indian film industry. Dharmendra's transformation into the He-Man of Bollywood marked a pivotal moment in his career. His commanding presence and physical prowess set him apart from his contemporaries, earning him widespread admiration. Iconic performances in films such as Sholay and Phool Aur Patthar showcased his versatility and charisma, captivating audiences across generations. These roles not only highlighted his action hero persona but also revealed his depth as an actor. Through these memorable characters, Dharmendra solidified his legacy as one of Indian cinema's most enduring and beloved stars. Dharmendra's journey from humble beginnings as a farmer to becoming a cherished film icon is a testament to his resilience and talent. Over the decades, he has captivated audiences with his charismatic presence and memorable performances. His appeal transcends age, drawing admiration from both older generations who witnessed his rise and younger fans discovering his legacy. Dharmendra's versatility on screen, combined with his genuine off-screen persona, has made him a beloved figure in Indian cinema. His story continues to inspire millions, serving as a reminder that dedication and passion can lead to extraordinary achievements. Today, Dharmendra stands as a revered figure, embodying the values of dedication and humility. His journey from modest beginnings to legendary status serves as a testament to the enduring power of perseverance. As a respected elder, he inspires countless individuals with his unwavering commitment to his craft and his grounded approach to life. Dharmendra's legacy is not just defined by his achievements, but by the example he sets through his work ethic and genuine character. He reminds us that true success is built on hard work and the strength to overcome challenges. In the eyes of many, he remains a guiding light, illustrating that humility and persistence can lead to greatness. Dharmendra's journey serves as a powerful reminder that where we begin does not define where we can go. His rise from humble beginnings to becoming a celebrated figure illustrates the limitless possibilities that await those who persevere. By overcoming obstacles and embracing opportunities, Dharmendra proved that determination and hard work can transcend any barrier. His story inspires us to believe in our own potential, regardless of our origins. Ultimately, it is not our circumstances, but our ambition and resilience that shape our destinies.